International exchange creates life-changing learning opportunities. It broadens our horizons, helping us see life from new perspectives and exposing us to new ideas. It makes us more aware of other cultures and values and helps us work better with people from all walks of life. It helps us gain new skills, like language, digital and networking skills. It builds our confidence and resilience, helping us face the many challenges life throws at us. Our communities can benefit too. Our visitors to Wales enrich our culture and bring fresh ideas to boost our local economies. TIFE is the International Learning Exchange Programme for Wales. It's backed by a £65 million investment from Welsh Government. The programme is underpinned by some important fundamental principles. Firstly, we want to create opportunities for learners and educators of all kinds. That's why our funding is open to schools, youth organisations, further education, vocational education and training, adult education and higher education, wherever they are in Wales. We're especially keen to make sure people from disadvantaged backgrounds, disabled people, those with additional learning needs and those from underrepresented groups are able to access the opportunities offered by international exchange. Secondly, this is very much a two-way exchange. Our funding is for organisations in Wales, but as part of this, they will be invited to establish partnerships with organisations in other countries throughout the world to bring learners to Wales. Thirdly, we want to promote innovative and creative approaches. We'll fund new ideas and new ways of doing things in Wales and share learning with partners in other countries. We want to take Wales to the world and bring the world to Wales. Are you ready to come on a journey with us?